back. So we've given this a few hours to dry out, and as you can see, it has dried out. So I'm just gonna bring the camera up here so that you can see some of the lines here. This was the area in the corner that we had to fill with all the mud, and there's a line right here. There's a line right here that we're gonna shave away. There's a line here. And over here looks pretty much good. So again, I'm just going to use my 4-inch blade here just to wipe down any lines right here, here, here. And so that is my sanding. So now I'm going to come over here. Grab my 16-inch trowel. It's a Marshalltown, and I have my hawk, and I have my mud in there. I just have to get a scooper. So again, I mixed up the EasySand 45. I probably did it like 10 minutes ago. I mixed up a half of a bag here. So I'm hoping that it's enough to skim the first coat on the ceiling. Okay. So I guess that will start in that corner there. So once again, reorganize it, turn the trowel, put it to a ball, and it's stuck. So we're going to come over here. And since we already started in the corners, we don't have to really come that close, which is a big help. So I'll load up there. Now there's a chunk in my mud. But on this coat, it's not going to really matter. So the key to this is just to get the mud up there. So that cleans off the hawk. Okay, so I'm going to clean off the trowel. There's a half moon on here. And press hard. You have to press hard here because you have to push the mud in the crevices where the popcorn was there. So I can just take away that line there. Okay, so I'll reorganize this here and load up twice there. Now, on the first coat, like you're really going to use a lot of mud because you have to force it in all these depressions in the ceiling. So it's not like you're skimming over a flat surface in the first place. We're trying to create a flat surface. As far as the technique, just coming into it and going off on a rotation out of the end. And that rotation helps keep the mud in the middle of the trowel. So if you just went straight back, the mud would come off. And the ceiling itself isn't perfectly level, so you will get lines and you will get high spots and low spots, but it's nothing to worry about under this coat. And what you want to do too is you want to have your 6-inch blade handy for areas in the corner here where I started. So there could be a line right there. So you just use your 6-inch blade to take away any mud. And as you can see on my blade, there wasn't much here. So, and when you get into areas like this, you can use your 6-inch blade. Okay, so for areas like this, you can even go into it like this here. Or what you can do is what I was doing over there. Just coming into it like that. And doing that, it's a little bit easier on your shoulders, and your neck, and your back. When you do it like that too, you can actually keep all your balance in the middle of your body, which helps, especially with your feet, to have the trowel directly over my head and not way out to the side with it, which is going to hurt. 6-inch blade out here and just look at the edges and just press hard on the right hand side here. And there wasn't much that came off there. And I'll just do a cleaning wipe over here. Okay, and use this to go around and kind of fix areas. Like there's kind of a line right here. It'll probably be hard for the camera to see, but there's kind of a line. And if it dried, it would be fine. I could just shave it down, but you can use your 6-inch blade to take it away. Okay? So we've reached this area here. I'm just going to load up in the middle. Okay, so that looks good there. I'm just going to get my 6-inch blade out here. Again, feather that down. And also, when this finally does start to set, you can go back around again, which I'll show here in the video. Now this is starting to set up a lot sooner than I thought, probably because this area right here where I scraped is so it's porous, and it's just sucking the water right out of the EasySand here. So instead of like a 45-minute set time, this will probably set in probably like 20 or 25 minutes. We're gonna let it set, and then we'll be back, and I'll show you guys how to just wipe out any of the lines and under mud that are incurred from skimming at the point of when it just starts to set. So that'll probably be in like another 5 to 10 minutes. So we'll be back for that.